Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, and this time your answer should match mine because this is the correct answer. Now look at the LIFFT, which clearly says that you have to make meaningful writing. So we will be focusing on descriptive writing and adds color to it. Vivid means colorful, descriptive writing. Now, why it is important to program everything beforehand? Because if you have a lots of ideas over here and you do not structure them well and do not add the material to it, you cannot come up with the final ending beautiful creative writing. So every step is important as it is in descriptive writing. So if you are descriptive writing specifically, you need to use verbs which shows the appearance, because we are describing something. When we are describing, you have to tell everything in detail, how it looks, how it feels, and what actions you or they do. So all of these details are very, very important in descriptive writing because we are describing something in details. So we have to use adjective to describe, we have to use feeling word to tell their emotions, and we have to use action verbs to tell what they usually do. Now what you have to do before writing, just write the main point in the center, then all of the details, whatever comes to your mind at the end, and then you have to connect each and every detail with the main point, which is very, very important. The connection of ideas, it's very important, and we usually do that with the linking verbs. So brainstorming and mind mapping is the most important part of every sort of creative writing. Brainstorm means think of the main idea, write the details, and mind map means to organize it in a structural way. So what you have to do, first of all, start thinking about the body. The first one is the introduction, then the spotting details, then comes the conclusion, because without conclusion there is no creative writing. So this is the structure on or the mind map. I've told you introduction, it tells you the main idea, and then all of the sporting details about the topic, and at the end conclusion is the most important part of every sort of paragraph or descriptive writing. Now if you have written the first draft, don't show it to your teacher at once, because it must have problems or errors inside it. Always check it yourself. Check what? Check the capitalization, check the punctuation, check the spelling. Do it on your own. After doing the first edit, write it again. In this case, you have to expand the vocabulary, change the existing words into more fancy or meaningful words. When you do that, your final draft will be a more polished one, or it will be a beautiful one. Then show it to your teacher. So first of all, brainstorm. Gather as much ideas as you can, then number them into sequence. What important detail you're going to write first, then what is going to come second, then what is going to come third and fourth. Write the first draft, don't show it to your teacher yet, edit it yourself, and then show it to your teacher and then your class. Now to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed this formative check. Do it in the class with the help of your teacher. Go home, do your homework. See you again in the next LIFFT. Till then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.